Where are your guns?
Where's my gun?
Get some bullets.
Oh, down.
Get a couple. You're gonna need more than one. Put some in your pocket. Jake, come grab some bullets. You're gonna need a few.
I'm gonna have to be greedy.
Good job. All right, Jake.
What?
Let's go.
Come here. Go. I'll catch this bird and go. Me too.
All right, I want you to go look down there. Look down by the gate. Keep looking. If you see a bird or see something, shoot it, okay?
Okay. I don't see anything.
Just keep looking.
Okay.
Hold on. Where will the bird come from? Over the fence?
There's a bird over flying. We wanted to shoot it, so he got away. Yeah. Where? We wanted to take a picture and put, and we could go like this. Like we could do that. Shoot the moon! No, shoot it! Shoot the moon! Okay. Shoot it! Shoot.
Oh wait, no. I think it's coming. Get your guns ready. Are they cocked?
Yeah.
Keep looking.
Someone up.
What was it?
Over there.
Get it!
Oh, got it.
Another bullet. Hurry. Get another one. It's going.
Doing it.
I don't know. Go look. Hurry, shoot it. Get another bullet. Come on, Cam. You didn't kill it yet.
I can't shoot it.
Oh, you gotta be faster.